Namaste, Khushro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Education Methodology, Department of Journalism. Program Bachelor of Journalism, first semester. Course Video Production Session, Technical Crew. Today I will discuss about Technical Crew. बच्चों, इससे पहले वाले क्लास में हमने प्रोडक्शन टीम ओके और के बारे में डिस्कस किया। 6 की रोल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन टीम के बारे में आज का हमारा टॉपिक है टेक्निकल क्रू। द टेक्निकल प्रोडक्शन क्रू आर द हार्ट एंड सोल ऑफ टीवी एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज। ऐसा मतलब बच्चों, ये जो हार्ट एंड सोल, दिल और आत्मा होती है टीवी एंड फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज़ की, कौन? टेक्निकल प्रोडक्शन क्रू। कैमरा, लाइटिंग एंड साउंड क्रू कैन वर्क ऑन एनी काइंड ऑफ टेलीविजन और फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट, बी इट इज़ ए फीचर फिल्म, वाइल्ड लाइफ डॉक्यूमेंट्री, स्पोर्टिंग कवरेज और ए गेम शो। People who these carry their creative vision with expert technical skill to make sure what we see and hear on the screen is as colorful, simultaneous and powerful as possible. Cinematography is all about the session and manipulation of technical equipment to create eye-catching image on screen. It is what gives a film or TV show its unique aesthetic style. Director of photography. The director of photography is a change of the look of the frame of the movie shot, hence the name photographer. They are the chief of camera and light crew of the film. The DP मतलब डायरेक्टर ऑफ फोटोग्राफी, मेक डिसीजन ऑन लाइटिंग एंड फ्रेमिंग ऑफ शॉट इन conjunction DP choose the correct lens, filter, lighting, composition to achieve the desired effect. The DP is the senior creative crew member after the director. The term cinematographer is usually synonymous with director of photography. Though some professional insists this only applies when the director of photography and camera operator are the same person. The camera operator uses the camera at the direction of the cinematographer. Direction of photography or the film director to capture the scene on film or video. Generally, cinematographer or director of photography does not operate the camera, but sometimes these jobs may be combined. First assistant camera. The first assistant camera, first AC or focus, AC मतलब assistant camera, focus pillar, is responsible for keeping the camera in focus as it is shooting, as well as building the camera at the beginning of the day and taking it apart of the end. They also thread the film when a new magazine is loaded. Second assistant camera. The second assistant or Kepler loader operates the Kepler board, commonly referred to in the United States as a slate, and at the beginning of each takes and loads the raw film stocks or blank video cassettes into the into the camera magazine between takes. If there is no additional design film loader, the second assistant camera is also in charge of overseeing the keep notebooks that record when the film stock is received, used and sent to the lab for processing. Additionally, the second assistant camera oversees organization of camera equipments, the transport of the equipments from one shooting location to another. Film loader. The film loader transfer motion picture film from the manufacturer light tight to the camera magazine for attachment to the camera by second AC. After exposure during a film making, the loader then removes the film from the magazine and place it back into the light tight cans for transport to the laboratory. It is responsibility of the loader to manage the innovator of film and communicate when the first AC on the film uses and remaining stock throughout the day on small production crews. This job is often combined with the second AC with the prevalence of digital photography. This role is taken on the digital imaging technique. Camera production assistant. The camera production assistant, camera intern or camera trainee assist the crew while learning the trade of camera assistant operator or cinematographer. Digital imaging technician. On digital photographer production, the digital imaging technique or DITE, it responsible of the coordination of the internal working of the digital camera under the direction of the camera or director of photography. The DITE will make adjustment to the multitude of variable available in most professional digital camera to creativity or technical manipulate the resulting image. It may also be responsibility of the DITE or achieve and manage the digital data, create compressed from raw footage and prepare all digital image for post प्रोडक्शन. इसके साथ साथ मोशन कंट्रोल टेक्निक ऑपरेटर होते हैं, लाइटिंग में होते हैं, लाइटिंग टेक्नीशियन एंड इलेक्ट्रिक्स होता है, ग्रिप होता है, किरी ग्रिप होता है और डॉली ग्रिप होता है. बच्चों ये सेशन समझ में आया होगा आपको. अगर इस सेशन से रिलेटेड आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो अपनी लाइव क्लासेस में हम इस टॉपिक को और डिस्कस कर लेंगे और आपका जो भी क्वेश्चन होगा हम लाइव क्लास में उसका आंसर और उसको डिस्कस कर लेंगे. थैंक यू.